Exactly, except for the front thing is I have hooks on. And the front thing is I have both hooks on. There's a giant. There's a giant. Land on it. Down on it.
Folks, my tent blew away in a storm last night and I found it. Let's see what kind of shape it's in. So I was camping on that shoreline, drove in the other night. I'm like, who jacked my tent? It's like, well, nobody, the wind blew it away. Anyways, I gotta get this taken care of here. Check this out. Tent recovery mission. The power poles came in super handy for this. What's shaking, folks? Pre-fishing at Fort Peck. We got one storm up there. 22 Gov Cup. We got the Walleye storm right here. And then we got another one back there. Not what you're exactly supposed to do, but that rain's chasing us. And that rain is ahead of us. There's probably a little bit of severity. There's another boat that's like, I don't know what they're doing. They're going into the eye of the storm. And there's another one up there. We're trying not to win practice, but we accidentally had a 26 and a 3/4 inch average today. We never were trying to we had some spots that had a pile of them. We just poked one and then we looked at the rest and then left. We would try to poke one on the spots, but no more. It's not easy, but we were catching them. So, woohoo!
Over and out, Fort Peck. We're not going swimming.
I can put it up a little more.
Okay, you want me to get out?
Yeah, it got good and gnarly, folks. We're hiding out. We're gonna hide out here for a bit. Cody, tell me your feelings.
That's a great question, Josh.
July 8th,
I pooped this morning.
Day one of the Gov Cup. We're big time because Cody lightened the load last night, light on his feet.
We fished.
We're gonna have a lot of high tip-toed hook sets.
Oh yeah, I don't like hand cleaning.
Cody's been cooking me breakfast. Shaq, giving me a place to sleep.
Ellie would be happy. Day one of the Gov Cup. We're like 15 minutes from blast off.
200 boats that we have to try to beat. If the fish open their mouths, it could get interesting. We're gonna be doing a lot of scoping. Well, folks, we're gonna see you on the water.
It's time.
It's just about game time. Give it what we can.
Day 1 Gov Cup.
We just had
it.
Were they aiming at us?
Dude, I don't know here.
Okay.
Focus. Everybody's headed west so far. I think they're going chronological. Or numerical, sorry.
What's that mean?
So 126 is who you're going to follow.
Skeeter?
Yep.
Gov Cup 2022, Cody and I, we're rookies and we love it. Fight her out. Coming up.
Yeah, it's not even a problem, Cody. They can get a little meaner by the boat, so lay off a little bit. I'm gonna spot lock this.
Josh, I'm going to try the best I can. Net. It's here, I see calling.
Yeah, just relax. Dude, we're gonna be on these things all day, Cody.
I'm totally relaxed.
Okay, yeah, dude. If this thing falls off, this will be a good warm up.
I'm relaxed.
Yeah, dude, this is not even a problem.
We're going to break the ice though.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
I don't really care.
Coming up.
That's a plank anyways. It's a plank. That's a pipe. That's a pipe.
Dude, I hate you.
Dude, that's a little pipe.
Are we doing opposite?
Boom!
I freaking hate you.
No,
I freaking hate you.
Dude,
I hate you.
Sick.
Dude, hey.
Baby!
I hate you. Why am I even fishing? I'm done.
Oh.
I'm done.
Cody!
I'm done. Come here. No,
let me
actually,
give
let's get serious. There was 2 down there. Let's get serious. Let's get this on.
Hit the players. Okay.
Let's not get cocky. There was 2 others with it. I pegged that son of a gun.
Okay, dude.
Okay, I'm shaking.
Well, hey folks, I'm just going to interrupt the video real quick to point out a couple things that I captured on video quite well, but I'm going to leave out of the YouTube video that I'm putting together right now. So, one instance, us and another boat were happily fishing a point when a boat decided to come across on plane in like 10 foot of water, like just right on plane, pretty dang close to us and the other boat. Not the most polite or safe thing I've ever seen. There was another situation where me and Cody were spot locked on the end of a point, and somebody wasn't exactly enthused about the fact that we were kind of like hogging the point, I guess, for the way they wanted to make their trolling pass. But in the spirit of competition, people can get a little competitive. You know, I think sometimes make a bigger deal out of things that probably aren't that big of a deal. So we'll just leave that off film. I will point out, though, something positive. There was a blue and silver Warrior boat day 2 that was incredibly polite and idled, slowed down, and like came off plane, idled through this area very slowly. They weren't even that close to us, but just trying to be super polite to us. Thank you very much. Anyways, we're gonna get back to the video.
head. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, bad reel. Okay. You're fine, dude. We got plenty of times today, so this is just another small one. Just remember, take it easy at the boat, but you just fight them out. Because we got lots of shots.
Horrible hook setup.
I don't care, Cody. You know how many 20 and 30
Did you see
meters?
what happened? My reel went the wrong way.
I'm going to try to spot lock for a sec. Okay. Good job, Cody. That was beautiful.
Hey Josh, my nerves are good. It's coming up fast. Come back with me. Coming up fast.
Good. I don't know if you like your rod in the water.
I just like to play.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You do what works for you, and then when he's kind of getting there.
The biggest problem is I did not get a good hook set.
No, it doesn't matter. You keep it tight. Just you keep the line tight. Don't worry about it, dude. These are little hooks they bury. Okay. The important thing is that first 3 seconds.
Josh, I don't like you.
No, I don't like you either, dude. And this is a pike.
Why are we even doing this?
Dude,
it might be a pike.
This is actually a pike, I
It
think.
could be. This is getting big now.
Okay.
I don't think it's a pike though.
Okay.
It could be a carp.
It's probably a pike out here.
Actually, it could be a carp. I mean, it's not fighting like a pike, bro.
Just fight it like you
It's either a
fight it.
huge walleye or a carp.
I think it's a pike. Remember his head angle once he gets up tight? Okay, because it's not that big. It's just a
Yeah, it's just little.
okay. If you lift a little,
Yeah,
you
get ready,
don't
get
have
ready.
much line out. Okay,
Get ready.
just a little bit.
Just steady.
Hey, that's a tiny one, dude.
Steady.
It'll be great. You got a 13-pounder.
Hey Josh, I'm gonna take my little glide.
Yep. You just keep fishing. Dude. I'm dealing with the fish.
I don't know how to fish. Okay.
Yep. You just keep fishing, dude.
I don't know how to fish.
It was balling.
It's always right in front of me. There's a high one in the front. There's a carp out there too. Yep.
Let's go. Let's just,
Let's just look one more time.
no. Let's go. I'm telling you. Okay, we're going. You got 30 seconds. That clock. We're gonna go back in here and prove me wrong right now, dude. This is gonna be sick. Alright, thanks for that. That's dangerous. You see where you're at?
I'm gonna let it come up a little bit. I'll see. I'm gonna be right on his tail. Okay. Flat. Hold him on home.
I'm glad we came back, Cody.
Hold him on home. Back in the juice. Come on. Josh, you give it. Get ready to give this.
I am. I know.
Just try to keep on them and see what's every time. I don't think they're trapping it.
You get out of the way. Just reel out of the way.
Okay, so there's 2 of them. There's 3 of them actually. 3 jumping in this way. Yep. I'm gonna give you a few snaps and I'm not sure. Feel free to get, if you don't get this, put your other one to your machine. Nose down. I'm just gonna hard nose down. Got him. Spot lock. I got it. You got that one? I'm gonna wait for it.
I already did. Like, don't sweat it.
Did you spot lock?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. See, that's not getting nose down so hard.
Yep.
Did I call that?
Yeah. Hey, dude.
Go.
Dude.
Are we even fishing? Should I try catch another one while you're doing that?
You could. I'm gonna be honest, dude. If you see
I know. I
him,
see 3 fins.
if you see him, get down there, but watch. Just stay away from me, but you catch one. Okay. I'm actually figured to net my own fish too.
No, we're not gonna do that unless I hook that. I lost you. You know, it scared me too that we're here. I see a fish. You're at 20.
Okay. Go get out of the way.
I'm not in. I'm gonna tell him what he's not running.
This is just another pick, anyways.
I'm gonna give it a little pitch this way because I see one. Oh my gosh, man.
Yep, you catch them. We'll double up. That's fine.
Okay.
I actually really prefer doubles
I see a tank.
because this is actually a little bit boring. Only having
This is the tank.
one shot at a time.
Just nose on me.
spot lock to spot lock it, dude. Okay? We need to be spot locked. Okay? For me, we need to be spot locked. If you want to do the live scope, you go on number 2 because we're drifting over my fish. Okay? Okay. Cody, left.
Let me know when I'm here.
Cody, left.
I'm here.
You said. Not too bad. Yeah, Cody, I hate your ideas. And you know what? The best part about this whole thing is we fish kind of. Be quiet. I got a UFO. Okay, you do it.
Round up.
Yep, I did. I got a tag on this one.
Dude, I had one slap it.
Cody, talk to us.
Hey, dude, we're on 4 Peck. We're just catching a bunch of tank northerns. We thought we'd go weigh them in.
About 30 inches.
And we'll just see what's going on. We're 9:26 mountain time. We have a bay boat, bass fisherman, but we're trying to do a thing. And here we go.
You care which way the boat's pointed?
Do you want us across? Okay.
You tell me what works for you, I guess.
Side? Okay.
Okay.
So this side.
You guys are doing an awesome job coming in slow.
Thank you.
Thank you. We've had a blessed morning, so the only thing we can do is try to repay.
Where are you from?
North Dakota.
Northwest.
We're just trying to keep things unique with a bay boat.
Have you guys fished this tournament before?
No, it's our first.
Way to go.
We're bass fishermen normally.
Oh, beginner's luck.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we're going for. We don't know enough to know what not to do.
Perfect.
Okay, here.
Josh,
I can just come up.
I can grab that too.
I think what we're gonna let us know what works for you. I think we're gonna try to pull it out of the live well, take a picture of our own fish, measure them just to kind of help make sure we're all on the same page.
Cody, get her going. Get her going.
You want to take that for big fish at all? Or
No, we want bigger, dude.
No chance?
Yep, no chance. Is my phone out of the way, Cody?
Yeah, it's in my back pocket.
Oh, it's another hog.
Folks,
There we go. How do I do this
30-incher, baby. Going back into the lake.
Good job, Josh.
Oh,
Red.
you guys.
Look at that.
This is sick here. Thank you guys. Show that tanker off. Woo! Look at that belly.
Probably about a 24.
It's only a little over 20. Yeah, it's not actually, it's really actually a little on the small side. She might bolt, so
It's not hooked well. That's what I can tell.
okay, a little one. Just popped out.
Yeah, it didn't look hooked well, but it's going to take them.
Little one. I don't know. I don't know.
Barely hooked, popped out of the neck.
Did you
Popped out
see
of the
that
net.
battle on the 2D, dude? Oh my gosh, I
so
gotta
much.
hug this thing.
Okay. Dude, I love you so much. I love you so much.
Okay, dude.
Yep.
Arguably 29.
No way. Really slender. Hey, by the way, you gave me another bruise on my back.
I don't care, dude. I'm giving you bruises all day.
I can't even fish tomorrow. I'm out of commission. That was a battle. I just dropped the waypoint. I'm gonna pan. Is that cool?
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
What? How big is it?
I'm 29.
Hey, I'm panning. Is that cool? I would drop the waypoint though. Slithered over like a snake. Oh man, Josh, you're the man.
Dude,
You broke my hand.
Dude.
right there.
I don't care what I break on you at this point. No, I mean, yeah.
I'm all broken.
Yeah,
Now.
dude.
I hate you,
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude.
dude. Now the question is, what do we do?
Well, sit here for a sec. But okay, what I'm gonna say this, Cody.
Yep.
We can't take anything for granted, okay? Tomorrow we might only catch 4 fish. That one we have is Fort Peck small, okay?
Whatever this is big. It feels weird unless it's just like giant. I see it. We're on leader. Oh! Giant walleye!
It's fine.
Josh, no. Hey, I'm not freaking out. I'm not freaking out. No, that was a big one that time. You know what happened? Kind of know what happened there. It wasn't the hook.
What happened?
Like my line got wrapped. I actually let it out. When I went to lift, it had chewed it by then, and so it's not very good. I was like, dang. That was another 70 foot on the nuts. Deep cast. It is exactly that cast, but it was twice. Go ahead.
Perfect, dude. That was killer. That was killer. Cody, that was beautiful. Just careful up at the surface. Okay? Yep. Just keep it tight.
This one's buried, so the biggest concern here, I bet, is if it were to chew my line.
Okay, folks. He's lost
see how it
he's
got
lost
here?
3, but even if we lose this, I don't care. Okay? Okay? So you stay up here and then that way you can walk back out. Okay, it's gonna run again, okay? It's gonna run, so you have to let it go. Okay. No, you let that. I don't know. It's probably gonna run again. It's probably not quite ready. We're gonna catch it. Okay? Ready? Now, when it gets kind of close, yep.
I thought that.
You might want to run this more, okay? When it gets kind of close, let's go a little higher. This is your rod too low, okay? Not too low. It's a tight edge. We don't need any more line. Okay? One line. It's actually kind of small. It's actually a little more. Let's show you a minute. Yes, it's not even.
Hey, you measure it real quick and then chuck it back.
Well, we had good fishing. It was almost unbelievable.
That's a bit of
We got a good limit. We lost an insane limit. I think we got another really good one and a pretty good one, and lost a couple really good ones.
Yeah, one boat size. Sadly, that probably was another 29, but such is life.
You gotta lose a few, so
Can't ask for more.
That's right.
Want me to troll?
yeah. Let's drop the troll in. Just as easy.
Yes.
I did. 29 and a quarter.
Awesome. Here, I'll get a quick picture.
Where's your camera there, Josh? You got your GoPro running?
Yeah, I'll just I'll show it up here.
Another 29 and a quarter inch. 29-ish. It's a beauty.
Ah, super.
We won't worry about a picture on this one, Cody.
We're gonna see if we can go find one more.
All right, go get an upgrade, huh?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here, Cody. What was that, 29 and 25?
29, 25, and 25, yep. All right, I'll get some quick initials, please, and then you guys are on your way.
Truck it out. gosh, it is the night before day 2 of the
10:44
Montana Governor's Cup, and we
Mountain
are
time.
in a severe thunderstorm warning. 80-mile-an-hour wind, hopefully not large hail, and we're chilling.
We're hoping the van, the boat, and the truck, and everybody else stays upright. We're hoping hail doesn't smash our junk. We're hoping a tree doesn't flip over and break our stuff. Cause we need to jack some tanks. We're in second place.
At least we're not on the water right now.
Yeah, we were riding something like this out the other day from the water, so in theory this should be better. Hey, can you?
Don't lose your phone.
Yeah, I don't want to lose the door. Yeah, I got it. Here we go. It's getting gnarly, folks. Yep. Welcome to Fort Peck, land of the giants, but man, you gotta pay to play. She is gnarly.